Welcome back to Inglewood Stadium updates. I've got some exciting new developments to show you, so stay tuned. Now what you're going to see here in a second, I'm on Pincay Drive. Looks like they're putting up some rather tall privacy wall screening. It's probably at least 25 or 30 feet, kind of like a green monster type of wall. Let's take a look. Wrap it up for this edition of Inglewood Stadium Updates. Hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.